Question: when should I charge this product? 1. When the power indicator flashes a red light, it indicates that the battery power is low. 2. Please charge the system by inserting a 5 volts, 2A USB cable into the charging port on the side surface of the water pumping unit. 3. When the power indicator remains solid green, it indicates that charging has been completed. Question: how to replace a filter? 1. When the filter life indicator flashes red and produces buzzes, it means the filter needs replacing. 2. During filter replacement, take out the water pumping unit and put a water container under the water pumping unit. 3. Push the filter inwards. Pinch buckles on 2 sides tightly and take out the filter. 4. Remove the outer package of a new filter and take away paperboard on the surface. 5. Align the buckles of the filter to notches of the water pumping unit and insert the new filter. When you hear a slight click sound, it means the new filter is installed in place. 6. Hold the water dispensing key for 3 seconds to complete filter resetting. Then, the filter life indicator will turn blue. 7. After the filter is reset, it is highly recommended you run water for at least 3-4 minutes before using. Note: for better filtration, activate the filter first by flushing. After replacing the filter, please discard the first tank of filtered water and do not drink it.